Hi everyone, it's Hope Yoder from R&K Distributing and Craft and Cut. We have a brand new update I wanted to show you. So in the past, when you created something like artwork, let's just pick this and left click and draw a shape. Do you notice on the lower right of my cursor, which is here, there is a little rectangle artwork box. So if I don't click on the select tool, I just keep drawing rectangle after rectangle. And then for instance, if I use the line tool, I'm going to keep doing this until I'm done. And so on the bottom part of my cursor, notice as it moves, I still have that tool activated. And in the past, I had to click on select to get out of that tool. And now you can see my mouse is just a cursor. So in this new page, let me create a new page and we'll go under the program preferences. So I'm going to select that. And under the Environment tab, here is the new update. Automatically select creative paths. So by default, when you download the update, this is not going to be checked. And with it not checked, like you see, what I just showed you where the tool is still active until you click on the select tool, that's going to be your default. But if you want to change that and have this new updated feature, you're simply going to left click and automatically select creative paths and then left click on OK. And now watch what happens when I select. You can see right there my cursor has a little rectangle and I'm going to draw a rectangle, but as soon as I'm done, then it automatically turns back into the cursor or the select tool. So that means if I wanted to draw another box, I can't. I would have to go back into here and reselect my drawing tool and reselect my drawing tool every time. So it just depends on what your preferences are and what your project is. So just a quick recap: in the program preferences, in the Environment tab, if I deselect, automatically select creative paths, and then let's do a triangle. Notice my cursor is still active with the triangle artwork tool. And then when I'm done creating my triangles, I must click on the select tool to deactivate that artwork tool. So there you have it, 2 ways, whichever way you want in Craft and Cut with the 2019 update.